دوست دارم میدونی که این کار دل گناه من نیست تقصیر دل دوست دارم میدونی که این کار دل
Today we're going to make Persian Iranian Tadig. Shout out to my mom who is self-isolating in LA right now, and she walked me through the directions. One note, don't skip any of these steps or take shortcuts, or else your Tadig will come out either too soft or too tough to chew. Alright, let's get started. For the rice, skip that organic stuff you can get at Whole Foods and instead go to a Persian or Indian store and get this type of basmati rice, the long grain kind. Add about a half a cup of rice per serving into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt over the dry rice. Cover the rice with water all the way to the top of the bowl and let it stand for about an hour. Once the rice has been soaking for an hour, pour the rice with the water into a pot. Add water to the pot until it's about 2 inches above the rice. Cover the lid and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, remove the lid and let it cook for 4 minutes. Hey Google, set timer to 4 minutes.
4 minutes, and that's starting now.
After 4 minutes, pour the rice into a strainer to drain out all the water. Set the heat to low and pour some cooking oil back into the pot. Pour the rice back into the pot. Make 3 holes in your rice with the back of the spatula. Pour 1 tablespoon of water back on top of the rice. Cover the pot with a tea towel or a paper towel and then put on the lid and let it cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid. Fluff the rice with a fork. Add a little more oil on top. Close the lid for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Optional, if you happen to have some saffron, mix a little saffron with water and pour that on top of the rice. Close the lid for another 5 minutes and then your tadig will be ready. Alright, the rice should be ready and the tadig should be crisp. And here is the finished product.